Members of Rotary Club of Accra-Spintex and 13 sister Rotary clubs have embarked on a clean-up and tree planting exercise along the Nungua coastline. The exercise forms part of efforts by conservationists to protect the environment and preserve Ghana's coastline.
The Rotary Club of Accra-Spintex and 13 of its sister clubs are on a clean-up and tree planting drive to rid the country's beaches of filth and conserve the environment. At the Nungua beach, members of the club removed waste materials from the shoreline and planted over 150 coconut trees along the beach. Two of the club presidents reaffirmed the club's commitment to safeguarding the environment.
Our club has been doing several beach cleaning projects in the past, but this is the first time that we're having a mechanized beach cleaning project. The environment is a focus area in Rotary. And by coming out in our numbers to collaborate on this project, we are sending a strong signal to the world that it's important for us to take our beaches and our environment very, very serious.
We hope that what we have done here can be sustained. Since, like we all know, the good book says cleanliness is next to godliness.
The clubs appealed to Ghanaians to desist from littering the beaches and engaging in illegal felling of trees to save the planet from the devastating effects of climate change.